Thanks for appreciation member, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rena Stiayat. Do you know what is the experimental dredge TGN1412? And what is dredge 1 TGN1412? TGN1412 is the experimental name for a type of monoclonal antibody therapy produced by the German company T-General. It was intended to manipulate the immune system to treat leukemia and autoimmune diseases such as arthritis. The research here had high hopes for it after the McCackman case injected with it solved no problems. The next step is to test it on human guinea pigs in a so-called phase 1 trial. It states that the drug has been tested on animals and is successful, but not in humans. And this is by no means the first time it has been tested on humans. In March 2006, 8 healthy volunteers were selected to take part in the phase 1 trial of TGN1412, organized by the US company Parexel, men aged 19 to 34 years. As stated by a member of the government that the success of the experiments carried out on animals and humans is very low. Only 5% are successful, while 95% fail and are fatal. What do you think about this? The fact is that we already do test new drugs on people, no matter how many tests on animals are undertaken. Someone will always be the first human to be tested on. Because animal tests are so vulnerable, they make those human trials all the more risky. The National Institutes of Health, or NIH, has noted that 95% of all drugs that are thought to be safe and effective in animal tests fail in human trials because the downward are dangerous. And of the small percentage of drugs approved for human use. He'll end up being really valid because of side effects that were not identified in tests on animals. Because experiments on animals are cruel, time-consuming, and generally impracticable to humans. The worst most forward-thinking systems are developing and using animal-free methods that are actually relevant to human health for studying diseases and testing products. These alternatives to animal testing include sophisticated tests using human cells and tissues, or also known as in vitro methods. Advanced computer modeling technology, often referred to as in silico models, and study with human volunteers. These and other non-animal methods are not hindered by species differences that make applying animal test results to humans difficult or impossible, and they usually take less time to complete. In 2006, a number of volunteers who were away from the new monoclonal antibody treatment in the UK experienced a serious allergy reaction and nearly died. Tests on monkeys nearly 500 times land completely failed in humans and had very zero side effects. And that's why we state that testing products for humans on animals is immoral, because it not only takes the right of freedom from animals but also from one products can eat many animals to take be tasted.